Are you organized? For most people, the answer is not so much. They need a little support in finding information. In fact, the majority of salespeople spend more than 10 hours, that's right, 10 hours a week actually looking for information. Because what happens is we are on information overload, but we don't know where to put things to find it again. I've taken all the time management courses where they say, touch that piece of paper once, and you're like, I've been touching it for 2 hours and I don't know where to put it. So how do we really get organized? Do we have that system for managing all of our contacts and our emails and our folders? Here's the deal. If I were to text you a referral, I could do that. I could send you a V-card with a referral, or I could leave a referral on your voicemail, or I could go to your website and give you a referral, or I could email you a referral, or I could actually write a referral on a piece of paper and hand it to you. Look at all the ways that I can communicate with you. The question is where do you house all of this information so you can find it easily and enjoy the process of actually following up with prospects? But I find people aren't following up because they just can't find the information and they put it in multiple places. We're going to show you in this program how to organize your contacts into one place, how to have one email system per business, how to create a category list for all of your contacts in your folders so that you don't fill up your computer screen with all these documents that you have. So how do you make sure everything's backed up appropriately, but more importantly, to make sure all of your information is going to all of your devices? We're going to show you all the tech stuff that you don't even need a tech person for. I'm going to show you how to do all of this and how to create the system that you need regardless of whatever CRM that you've purchased, or even if you use Gmail or Outlook. We're going to show you how to run your business with these simple systems, but I'm going to make it simple for you, and more importantly, give you more free time so you can do the things that you really love to do.